Okay. The beast is in need. So, we have a few things we're going to install. Alright. What? Okay. This is the throttle body gasket. This right here is the oil cooler line tube. I got another new one because I did the felpro and, well, I don't think it's sealed. The felpro is pretty much flat all the way across, but this one's raised. You can feel it. I'll show you when I get done, and my damn battery's about out. We're gonna take this little bad boy right here. I love the packing, by the way. This, and we're going to, yeah, okay, good to me. Alright, install it here. I gotta take this off, take this out right here. Take this, and then be able to unbolt it and unplug it. Then, when that goes on it, I don't think these fit my truck, but it's supposed to be knock sensors. Looks more like a Ford. No, old Chevy. I'll look. Now Ford's got them down in the valley. If it's in the valley, I ain't fucking with that, because that's too much other shit I gotta do. Alright, there you go. And we're gonna put some of that in. And it all entails a whole lot of that, alright, and some of that. Yeah, that's a project for the day. There it is. Enjoy. I gotta get back to a power cord somewhere. Power. I need power. Damn it, baby, I need you to stop leaking.